Want to know how to post in different formats based on platform best practices? I've got you covered in this quick 3-minute guide that'll save you time and boost your engagement. I'll walk you through the essential formats for each platform and show you exactly how to post the right way for maximum impact. When you're posting on Instagram, the key is to leverage visual content. For stories, vertical videos are a must. Keep them under 15 seconds, add a call to action, and make sure your visuals are high quality. For feed posts, square images work best, but carousel posts are the real game changer. Carousels keep users engaged and increase interaction. If you're using IGTV, aim for longer, vertical videos with strong hooks at the beginning to keep people watching. And for Reels, use a 9:16 aspect ratio and focus on quick, engaging content. On Twitter, it's all about being brief and to the point. Use square or landscape images to accompany your tweets. With the rise of video content on Twitter, 30-second videos are a sweet spot for engagement. Keep your message clear and concise to grab attention in a busy feed. When it comes to Facebook, you'll want to take advantage of both horizontal and square images, depending on whether you're posting to your feed or stories. Horizontal images work better for links, while square is a better fit for feed posts. If you're posting a video, make sure it's square or landscape with a 1.1 or 16.9 aspect ratio. Facebook users love videos that are more than 2 minutes long, especially when they start with a hook to keep viewers watching until the end. Now, let's talk about LinkedIn. It's more professional, so you'll want to keep things polished. For posts, square images are a safe bet. For videos, aim for landscape, 16.9. If you're posting an article, make sure you're including a compelling image with a call to action at the end. And when using LinkedIn's video feature, the first few seconds are crucial. Make sure to grab attention fast. On TikTok, you want to focus on creativity and high-energy content. The format is 9:16 vertical and keep the video length under 60 seconds. The shorter, the better, but make sure the first few seconds grab attention. TikTok loves trends and challenges, so keep an eye on what's trending and try to incorporate those into your posts. For YouTube, landscape videos are king. Always use a 16.9 aspect ratio. If you're posting a YouTube short, stick with the vertical 9:16 format. For regular videos, the content should be around 10-15 minutes long, packed with value, and include chapters for easy navigation. The thumbnail and title are everything on YouTube. Make sure they're eye-catching and reflective of the video content. Now, if you're thinking about following along with all these tips using some software, I've tested the most popular tools out there. The one I recommend for making these posts in all formats is available through a free trial, exclusive to viewers of my channel. Check out the link in the description if you want to try it for yourself and save time. Key takeaway here. Always tailor your content format to fit the platform you're posting on. The right format will help you engage your audience more effectively, whether that's square images for Instagram or landscape videos for Facebook. Post with purpose and adapt your content to the platform. To recap, Instagram, vertical for stories, square for feed, 9:16 for Reels. Twitter, concise, square or landscape images, 30-second videos. Facebook, horizontal or square images, 16.9 video for posts. LinkedIn, square images, 16.9 videos. TikTok, vertical, 9.16, fast-paced, trending content. YouTube, landscape, 16.9 for regular videos, vertical 9.16 for shorts. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to streamline your posting process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.